In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing using Google Gemini. You won't believe how easy it is, and it only takes 5 to 10 minutes a day. Here's an example of small Pinterest accounts getting millions of traffic every single month. You can see this account right here with just 500 followers. It gets 3.9 million monthly views. And that is a lot of traffic for a small account, which tells you it gets a lot of traffic to the affiliate link. And if we click on this link they are promoting on their profile, so as you can see, it's going to bring us to their website where they are promoting protein products. Okay. And if we scroll down here and take any of these posts as an example, so if I take this one right here, they are promoting the best protein powder in 2025. And if I scroll down here, you can see the first one, they have their Amazon associate link right here. And if visitors click on this link and they purchase this product, they get a commission. So if I scroll down, you can see another one here from Amazon, which tells you they are getting traffic from Pinterest to their website. And now if you think this website is doing well, I'm going to show you another one as well. You can see this one with barely any followers at all, still gets 27,000 monthly views. And that's a lot of traffic for an account with barely any followers. And this will tell you you don't really need a following for this strategy, as I'm going to show you exactly how to make money on Pinterest without followers. And keep in mind, the most important thing is getting traffic to your affiliate links. When you get traffic to your links, that is when you are likely to make affiliates commissioned. And now if we come over to this Pinterest account, and if we take any of the pins as an example, so if I click on this one right here, you can see there's this visit site right here, which tells you they are promoting their affiliate links. All right. So if I click on the visit site button, as you can see, it's going to bring us to this page where they are promoting this protein powder as well. And if I click on it, as you can see, it brings us to this Amazon product. And I can assure you, if you make a purchase, they get a commission. And that is not the only link this account is promoting on Pinterest. If I scroll down here, you can see they are also promoting their own product as well. So if we click on the link, as you can see, it brings us to this page where they are selling their own product as well, which tells you this strategy works for both affiliate marketing and selling your own products. All right. Now you may be wondering why use Pinterest traffic, and the reason is because Pinterest is a gold mine for affiliate marketing, and this is simply because it gets 1.2 billion monthly traffic, and if we scroll down here, you can see majority of its traffic is from United States, and that is a lot of buyer traffic. As you can see, this is a Pinterest pin here, which is already attached to an affiliate link. So in this video, I'll show you how to post your direct affiliate links correctly on Pinterest and get a ton of affiliate commission without spending any money. So the next thing you're going to be doing is to sign up to an affiliate network. And this is where you will have access to various digital products you can start promoting and start getting paid commissions. And there are so many out there you can choose from clickbank.com to digistore24.com as well. You can also go over to Amazon Associates as well. However, the affiliate network I prefer the most is Digistore24. And this is simply because they are beginner friendly and you get paid high commissions from 40% to 90% of every sale you make on any product you promote on Digistore24. Creating an account on Digistore24 is very easy. All you simply need to do is to head over to the digistore24.com website, which is then going to bring you to this page. And all you simply need to do is to scroll down here and you want to come over to this section that says promote online. This is where you want to sign up as an affiliate to Digistore24 and start promoting products available on its platform. So you want to click on the get started button. And just like that, it's going to bring you to this page where you want to enter your username, email address, and your password, just like any other website out there. However, you want to come over here and select, I am an affiliate and I primarily promote the product of other vendors. Then check this box and you want to click on continue. It's that simple. So once your Digistore24 account is created, your dashboard should look like this. And if it doesn't, you want to come over to where it says marketplace and you want to click on it. So once you do that, it's then going to bring you to this page where you're going to find various products on digistore24.com you can promote right away. However, you can also come over to this section that says digital products, and this is where you can find products based on these categories. As you can see here, you can find products in the animal and pet niche. You can come over to the computer and internet category. So this is really up to you. But for this video, we are going to be taking the health and fitness niche as an example. So if you click on it, you're going to see various products you can promote from this category. All right. And also one thing you want to take a look at is how much you're going to get paid for every sale you make, which is also known as commission. All right. As you can see here, this product is going to pay you 65% of every sale you make. And that amounts to $143 for every sale. So you can basically scroll down and you can find various products with various commissions, which you can promote on Digistore24. This is really up to you. And also, before you promote any product, I highly recommend to check out the sales page of that product just to make sure the product looks legit and it's something you are comfortable promoting. So once you find any product you are comfortable promoting on Digistore24, all you simply need to do is to click the promote now button and you'll be able to get your affiliate link to that product. And whenever anyone clicks on the link to make a purchase, you get your commission. So that takes us to the next step where most YouTubers will tell you to go over to Canva to generate content. And there are two flaws with this strategy. The first one is it can be time consuming generating high quality content using Canva. And the second reason is because you have no idea if that content is going to work or not. You are basically just doing guesswork right here. And I have a brand new strategy I've been using, which I'm going to share with you in this video, which I recommend to use instead of creating the content from scratch. So before I mention this strategy, if you're enjoying this video so far, then make sure to drop a like on this video and comment down below if you want me to keep making more videos like this. So the strategy I have been using myself and I recommend you use instead of using Canva is to let AI create that content for you. So what do I mean by this? All you simply need to do is to go over to your competitor's page. So if you come back to this page right here, which I showed you earlier in this video, all you need to do is to recreate their content. And that is because if they are getting over 20,000 traffic every single month with barely any followers on their account, it means they are creating high quality content. And you want to basically replicate what is already working. So all you need to do is to find any content from your competitor's page and you want to remake that content. So I'm going to take this image here as an example. So once I click on the image, all you just simply need to do is to right click and you want to save the image to your device. And that takes us to the next step where you want to then go over to Chatgpt and you want to come over to this plus button and you want to then upload the image you just downloaded to your device. So once you upload the image, just like I've done right here, then you want to type in a very simple prompt like this. So I'm going to leave this prompt in the description so you can basically copy and paste this prompt in Chatgpt. So what this prompt is basically saying is you want Chatgpt to give you the exact prompt you can use to generate this type of image without you having to create it from scratch. And just like that, in a couple of seconds, Chatgpt is going to give you the exact prompt you can use to generate that image. So you can basically copy this prompt and you can use it to generate your own image. All right. However, I'm going to be using Google Gemini to generate this image. This is because I find some of the best results whenever I use Google Gemini to generate these images. Okay. So now I'm going to paste in the exact prompt right here. And as you can see, I changed this from 7 high-calorie meals to 4 high-calorie meals. Okay. So you can edit any other thing you want. It's really up to you. And basically, I entered this prompt. And just like that, in under 30 seconds, it generated this image for us. So as you can see, this is an high quality image. We can basically just download right away to our device and we can start uploading these images to Pinterest and start getting traffic. However, you can remove this Zenvox fitness text right here by simply going over to the prompt. And if you come over to the prompt, you can see this section that says Zenvox fitness. Here you want to basically replace it with your Pinterest account name, or you can remove it completely. This is really up to you. So once you download the image to your device, the next thing you want to do is to go over to pinterest.com. And once you come over here, you want to create a brand new Pinterest account. And to do that, all you need to do is to enter your basic information here, or you can create an account right away using Facebook or Google. Okay. So once you create your Pinterest account, all you just need to do is to upload the pin you just created, and you want to also get ideas from what is already working for your competitors. Okay. So you want to basically get idea, and then you want to type in the same title and the same description that is getting them views. All right. And now this takes us to the next step, where you then want to add a link. And this is where most beginners get it wrong by simply posting their direct affiliate link, which is not going to work, and it may get that post or that Pinterest account deleted as a whole. So you want to basically create a landing page, and there are so many ways you can do this. However, one of the fastest way to do this is by using Linktree. So if you go over to Linktree, so if you don't know what Linktree is a tool that allows you to promote multiple links with a single link. All right. So now if you don't have an account, all you need to do is to scroll down and click on get started for free. And once you do that, you'll be able to create a free Linktree account you can use to start promoting these affiliate links. As you can see here, I have entered an affiliate link in this box, and you can see once people click on this link, they are going to see the product we are promoting. However, since we are promoting a protein related product, we want to simply go over to our affiliate marketplace of choice, and we want to look for a more suitable product for that pin. So if I come over to this 24 and I type in protein here, as you can see, there are 17 products we can choose from that are related to that pin we are promoting. So all you need to do is to click on the promo button, and you can copy your affiliate link. So once you copy your affiliate link, you can basically come over here and then paste in the affiliate link in this box like this. So once you enter whatever affiliate link you want, as you can see, you can enter multiple affiliate links you want by clicking on this add button. And just like that, you will be able to create your Linktree link, and then you want to click on this share button. And then you want to scroll down and you want to copy your Linktree link. So once you copy the link, all you just simply need to do is to add the link right here like this. This way you can safely promote your affiliate links on Pinterest without any problem. So once you're done, you want to then create a board. You can then type in something like protein. Okay, so once you type that, you want to then click on create. All right, so once you do that, that is simply all you need to do, and you want to click on publish. So you can see this is a very simple strategy you can use to generate content without you having to do all the work yourself. To get massive traffic from doing this simple strategy, all you just simply need to do is to generate images that's already been proven to be working for your competitors, and that way you are likely to also get a lot of free traffic as well.